how to change gender in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change and select other genders. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here on the left top, you can see your profile again. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can edit your account. So these are the account settings. Now simply tap on clothing and shoes. So here, this is the section where you can choose different things. So in this preferred department, simply tap on it. Now here you can tap on edit. So basically here there are two sections, men and women. Now in order to change it, simply tap on the one and tap on save. So as you can see, it has been saved. Now if you go back, the same preferences and the same suggestion will pop up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.